I'm only on the second day of my bike trip and I can already say this is shaping up to be the biggest highlight of my Thailand journey. Pai is a very small, sweet city, but way too touristy for my liking. In this trip, by default, I'm trying to stay away from touristy places and kind of try to experience the local experience more. So I think I'm just gonna take my bike, see all the interesting things that there are to see around the city and move on with my bike tour. So my bike tour is going to be shortened by one day. Okay, let's start. But the house that I'm staying at is really nice. Check this out. Stop is a temple on top of a hill. This is already looking very impressive. So yesterday at the waterfall I went to, I met this Thai tour guide. Bring my swimsuit to bed. He recommended me this secret hot spring that's somewhere around Pai, which happens to be exactly on the way to my next destination of my bike tour. So this is our next stop. But I found this beautiful coffee place on the way, so why not stop? This is also a great opportunity to read a bit. I followed your recommendation. Joe, you're making my trip. Water is so warm. Next up is the town of Soppong. It's located along a small river called the Mae Lang River. I thought it would be a nice place to stop, have a rest, maybe eat some lunch and drink a cup of coffee. And just like everything else in this trip, it looks beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Be safe. Yes, I will. You too. Aloy. Eating some lunch. Soppong was small and lovely. Now I'm gonna take another 2-hour ride to the northern border of Thailand, Thailand and Burma, to a little village called Ban Rak Thai, where I'm gonna spend the night. The camera simply doesn't do justice to how beautiful this thing is. I'm only on the second day of my bike trip and I can already say this is shaping up to be the biggest highlight of my Thailand journey. It's practically an experience of all the senses. Sight, all those beautiful views around. Smell, I go through so many different sceneries. Each has such a distinct smell. I smell the fresh grass, I smell fruit. I smell the farmers when they burn their crops. The sense of touch, just handling the bike as you drive and feeling the wind straight in your face. It's so unbelievably powerful. The only sense that is not triggered in the way that I would like it is the sense of hearing, because the wind simply obstructs how silent everything that I see actually is. Didn't make a reservation. I just wanted to check maybe you have a room free for tonight. One night.
One night today.
Today.
So sorry.
You're full. Oh, okay. 400 baht.
Okay.
Yes, where is the room? Yes, okay. Thank you. I arrived here after sunset. I don't like driving in the dark, and also it's amazing the temperature difference between day and night. It's like I think the 15-degree temperature decrease. And as usual, I didn't make any reservation. I just somehow found myself in this place, but it's nice. It's somewhere to sleep.